Hi, welcome to Blessed Brown Kitchen. You know I love to talk about sweet and delicious food and healthy food also. So I'm going to cook some coconut fried rice with some Popchow. So this is the amount of rice I'm going to use to do my fried rice, about half pound of rice. And if you want to do your fried rice and you don't have any rice to cook and put away, you can just get up and wash your rice and put it into a strainer and strain it and get it to cook your fried rice. So this rice is already washed and dry, but like you don't wash. And this is what I'm going to use into the fried rice. I have an egg, bell pepper, scallion, and onion. 2 different flavors of onion. And this is the coconut milk I'm going to use to do my fried rice. These I'm putting out now, going to use and the Popchow. So I have some mixed spice, salt, butter, black pepper, so garlic powder. And I'm going to use 2 different flavors of pepper. This is the cayenne pepper, and I also have some chili pepper that I blend. This is the Popchow I'm going to use. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to clean up the Popchow. You're going to slice it into 2, and then I'm going to put it into salt water to soak off. You know, Popchow is very dirty, so you have to wash it very good. So I'm going to slice the Popchow into 2. One kind of brown good. So I'm going to get in some salt into the water to put the Popchow. So in the meantime, while the Popchow is soaking into the salt water, we're going to start to cook our coconut fried rice. So we're going to slice up the onion now. So I have a cup and a half of water to mix the coconut milk. I'm showing you step by step how I'm going to cook the coconut fried rice. So also I'm putting all of the milk. Hold on. I'm going to mix it. So this is what we're going to use under the fried rice, okay? So I'm going to do the egg now. So my pot is on. I'm going to get in a little tip of cooking oil, a small amount of cooking oil. get in the rice. I want to get in the coconut milk. Small amount of salt. You want to smell this, the milk. Wow. So we're going to get in the smell of coconut milk. Oh my God. So we don't need any sauce on it, no. We just need the natural coconut. Yes, natural. We don't need any darkness of it, no. We just need to see plain coconut fried rice. You can taste the bell pepper, the onions, scallion, the egg, everything just combined together. Wow. Coconut fried rice. It's so healthy and delicious. Okay, so we're giving it 3 more minutes and then we remove it from the flame and then we start to cook our Popchow. It's time to remove now. Yes. Yes. So ready to cook the Popchow now. So we're going to put it. We're going to use our coconut milk. We leave over the juice, right? We're not using no water, just strictly coconut milk today. But nice and healthy, so. Then our garlic powder. Some black pepper. Butter. Oh, spicy. Put on a small amount of our chili pepper. Small amount of our cayenne pepper. We want to lower it to steam. My God, look at that steaming like coconut milk. Wow. Put on a small amount of salt. So thank you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you to watch my video and to share it. Love you, God bless you, and bye.